What a beautiful day out today. We are in Sedona, Arizona and going hiking today. Most of the hiking trails are closed in Sedona right now because there is a big forest fire. So we're trying to hike as much as we can. Look at this Oak Creek. It's so beautiful. You can swim in it. The water is so clear and it's flowing, and the water is ice cold. And now we're here at the India Gardens Cafe having lunch. Having a gobbler, turkey sandwich and some salad. And look at this place. How beautiful is it?